Hello everybody and welcome once again to a Tech Check Tuesday. This week's episode is all about cases for the DJI Mavic Air. Now those of us who have been in the drone community long enough now know that the old adage, you get what you pay for, is alive and well. And in fact, we could even add on to that to say that you often get less than what you pay for. And so when it comes down to protecting our expensive and sensitive drones, cases can be a big deal. And you can spend anywhere from 20 bucks up to over 100. So that leads to be asked, what about those cheap ones? Are they really worth it? Do they work, and will they really protect your drone? And so F-stop Labs has hooked me up with their most affordable model of case here for the DJI Mavic Air. So we're going to dig in and see if it's really worth your 20 bucks and is it really going to provide any protection for your expensive drone.
It comes equipped with D-rings on each side for a shoulder strap and a very nice retractable handle. It's got a hard shell case which kind of looks like molded nylon, but it seems more like a rubberized plastic. It also comes with two heavy-duty zippers to open up the clamshell. The drone, controller, batteries, and other accessories fit snugly in some cutouts. And did I mention how cool this handle is? It measures just under 12 inches wide, 7.5 inches deep, and about 4.5 inches tall. Alright, so that's enough of that. Let's take this bad boy out in the field and see what it can do. This thing really is compact and will fit just about anywhere. The shoulder strap and handle are super convenient for carry. I'm not sure about backcountry backpacking, but for just a walk in the park, it will serve perfectly. Just a quick zip and everything's right there and ready to go. You could even use it as a launch pad in tall grass, in a pinch. And when it's time to go home, everything slides right back in, nice and neat. It even has that nice zippered pouch in the top half, perfect for storing things like cables and all kinds of other goodies. It's not totally waterproof, but just like my Mavic Pro case, I know that in the case of a downpour, it would keep the rain out for several minutes while I run back to the car. Okay, so I have to admit, for 20 bucks, I'm a little impressed. But this is very similar to ones that I've tested for the Mavic Pro and the DJI goggles in the past. And those also didn't extremely impress me up front, but over the last 8 months, they have. They've held up, they've kept my equipment safe in all the travels that I've undertaken as far as road trips and handling them just in day out process, and they've done a great job. And so I have to honestly say that if you plan to just use this as a means to store your Mavic Air and your batteries, your charger, your controller inside of this little container, it would keep them perfectly. And if you were just going on little road trips and tossing this in your trunk or on your back seat or wherever, it would do an excellent job of keeping your drone nice and safe. I don't know if I would take it out hiking, and I don't know that I would trust it to airlines baggage check or anything crazy like that, but just for day in and day out use, it does amazing. And for 20 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Please check down there in the product links if you plan on buying something like this and purchase it down there. You get it for the same amazing low price. You give me a little bump, and it does make a huge difference. and I really do appreciate it. So once again, thank you all so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome afternoon, and we'll see you all soon. Thanks.